Good morning, everyone. Filipino teacher in China here. Okay, so why am I taking this video? It is because no, number one, update na sa aking pag-iimpake. And second is ang anong tawag nito? Second is yung update regarding my work permit and visa application. So far guys, no, malinis na ang aking aparador. So nag-iwan na lang talaga ako ng mga damit na susuotin ko pa this week. At saka ito naman yung mga damit na talagang iniwanan ko na. Kasi nga, alam kong masikip na. At saka, hindi na talaga magkakasya sa akin. Okay, so ayan, medyo nalinis ko na. Ayun, yung mga box. Ito yung mga, yung mga bagahe. At saka, ayan, ito naman, dalawang box na malaki at saka isa pang maliit. So, yan so far, ang update ng aking pag-iimpake. So, we are still on duty. So, what's so funny is, magsa-sign in kami ng 9 o'clock, before 9 o'clock doon sa office. And then, dapat after 4 kami magsa-sign out naman. Okay, so duty pa rin kami. Pero actually, wala nang mga bata. Nandun na sila or yung iba is sumama sa cultural trip. Sa cultural trip na anong tawag dito, inorganize ng school. Tapos, kung naalala niyo yung mga previous vlog ko, na nag-cultural trip kami before sa Chengdu. So, ayun. So, actually wala ng mga bata. Tapos, mamaya, good news is that approved na ang aking work permit. So, may work permit na ako hanggang year 2027. At saka, mamaya, kikitain ko si Linda. Yun yung bago naming HR. I mean, HR ko sa bago kong school. Tapos, magkikita kami mamaya para sa residence visa ko. So, guys, so I'm here now sa Burag Abot Immigration nila. Okay, so I'm waiting for Linda. Okay, so ayan. So muna ni siya guys. Guys, gwapo kailang facility guys. Nanaol ka ayan, so ayun guys, kinuha na ang aking passport and they replaced me with this. So 7 days ang tagal. So, nasa kanila yung passport ko and so if I need something, okay, so ito yung replacement ng passport, okay? So, for the meantime, just in case I will need my passport, so it's like, anong tawag nito? So, it's like, this is as good as a passport, okay? So, like, for example, I want to travel outside Beijing, so, since kinukuha or kinakailangan yung passport pag mag-train ride, so I can use this in replacement of my passport. So, napakabilis lang. Like, I think 10 minutes lang kaming nakaupo and then that's it. So, sa 17 ko siya makukuha and so, talagang 1 week from now. 7 days, 7 working days.